Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we discussed about what is IES, why IES required, who is client for IES application, how to access IES application, what are the plans that are provided by IES, what are the IES modules available, and what is the purpose of each module in the IES application. So if you look at the architecture, IES application is going to look like this. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System, that is used to provide fully integrated eligibility system for Rhode Island state citizens. Rhode Island state government want to provide some health and insurance plans for RI state citizens by using IES application. This application is intranet application. That means public users cannot access our application directly. If anybody want to access our application, they should go to nearest to DHS office. In the DHS office, case workers will be available. They can access our application. They can apply plans for the citizens in the IES. Now, in this IES application, there are several plans available like SNAP, CCAP, Medicaid, Medicare, QHP, and RIW. For every plan, some conditions will be available. If citizen data matching with the plan conditions, then citizen will be approved for the plan. Otherwise, citizen will be denied for the plan. In this application, there are several modules available. Like we are having admin module, caseworker module. I can say that as a user management, or I will call it as caseworker module. Admin module is available and caseworker module is also available. Then we are having AR module, then DC module, ED module, CO module, BI module, and reports module is available. Admin module is responsible to manage caseworker accounts and the plans that are available in our application. Caseworker module contains the functionality related to login, dashboard, forgot password, and edit profile. Caseworker details will be maintained by caseworker module. Coming to application registration module, when citizen want to apply for the plan, citizen will come to DHS office, will talk to caseworker. Caseworker will use IES and will register citizen data. If a citizen belongs to RI state, then citizen application will be created. Otherwise, citizen application cannot be created. Application creation is important to apply for the plan. If citizen application not created, he cannot apply for the plan. To verify the citizen identity, our IES application will communicate with to verify citizen belongs to IES application or not. For that, it will come to verify citizen belongs to RI state or not. Our application will connect with SSA Web API. That is a federal government project. So we will give SSN number as an input for the API. It will provide state name as the output. If that state name is RI, then citizen application will be created. Then he can select for the plan and data collection will happen. Go to DC API for the data collection. Citizen family data, income data, education data, kids data, relationship data, everything will collect from the citizen by using DC API. And the next one, ED API. ED stands for eligibility determination. Okay, that will determine citizen is eligible for that plan or not. Citizen data will be compared with the plan condition. If citizen data matching with plan condition, then it will approve the citizen for the plan. Otherwise, it will deny the citizen for the plan. Approved citizen will get the benefit amount. Monthly benefit amount will come from the government. Once eligibility determined, correspondence will be available. What is the correspondence? It is responsible to send notices to the citizen. If citizen is approved, approved notice will go. If citizen is denied, denied notice will go in the PDF format. Then reminder notices will be available. If your plan is getting completed by this month end, 90 days reminder, 30 days reminder, 15 days reminder, 7 days reminder, Reminder notices will be sent from the correspondence module. Then BI API, benefit issuance. What is the purpose of that API? It will send the benefit amounts to the citizens who are approved for the plans. Reports API, I want to understand how many citizens applied for the plans in the USA, Rhode Island state this month, this week, today, yesterday. How many people applied? For which plan, how many people applied? Based on the status, I want to download the report. Based on the name, I want to download the report. Based on the duration, I want to download the report. For that, we are having reports API. So this is the overall architecture of the project. So as of now, from last 2 to 3 days, we are understanding what is IAS, why IAS, who is a client for IAS, where IAS will be accessible, who can access IAS application, what are the plans available in the IAS plans and conditions, who is eligible for which plans and plan conditions also we discussed. Then what are the modules in the IAS and what is the purpose of each module in the IAS application we have discussed. So tomorrow, when you go for interview, any company interview as an experienced person, the first question they will ask you self-introduction, introduce about yourself, explain about yourself. Then second question, what is your current project? What is your current project? Explain project architecture and project modules, right? Then third one, what are your roles and responsibilities in the project? What are your roles and responsibilities in the project? If an interviewer impressed with your answers for these 3 questions, then technical questions will start. Technical questions on core Java first. Technical questions they will ask on core Java. Once it is completed, then they will go for Spring Boot. Then they will go for microservices. At last, they will ask some tools also. For experienced people, this is the interview pattern they will follow, right? So first they will ask self-introduction. Then they will ask, what is your current project? In this, you need to explain purpose of the project. You need to explain modules of the project and purpose of each module. Purpose of each module. All these things you need to cover in the project explanation. Then what are your roles and responsibilities in the project? That means what you are doing, in which modules you have involved, what is your daily activity in the project, that you need to explain. So these 3 questions are very important for the experienced people. If you satisfy that person with these 3 question answers, then your interview will happen smooth. Within these 3 questions only, they will understand whether you are a genuine person or you are fake experienced person. So you need to practice more to answer these 3 questions. So recently I have uploaded one video on the YouTube, how to introduce ourselves in the interview, how to explain our roles and responsibilities in the interview. I made some videos and I uploaded in the YouTube also. If you go to that videos section, so here self-introduction, especially when you are going for experienced interview, how to introduce yourself. Software developers, how to explain self-introduction in the interviews. 4 months back, I uploaded one video in the YouTube. And how to explain developer roles and responsibilities in the interview. How to explain roles and responsibilities. 4 months back only I made this video. How to explain roles and responsibilities in the interview. How to introduce about yourself in the interview. These 2 videos are very, very, very important for you. Self-introduction, roles and responsibilities. What about current project? From last 2 to 3 days, we are discussing what is our project, what is the purpose of the project, what are the plans available, what are the modules available, and what is the purpose of each module in our application. Are you clear? Good. So today, I want you people to go through these 2 videos. I will share the links in our group. How to explain roles and responsibilities, how to explain self-introduction in the interview. Good. Now, I asked you people to practice project explanation with your recording. Have you done that? All of you? Right. Now, I want to see how you are going to explain the project. Now, I want some people to give the seminar on the project. So I will call some names randomly now. You people should come here and you need to explain about your major project. So first time you may not able to explain properly. Confidence may not be there in your voice. So if you keep on practicing that, then only you will get that confidence to explain about your project. Just these are 7 points you need to cover within 5 minutes of time. I will give 5 minutes of time for each person. I want you people to explain what is major project, what are the plans available, what are the modules available, what is the purpose of the module. Assume that this is your interview. Assume that this is your interview. When you go for the interview, definitely they will ask a question, explain about your project. How you will answer that question in the interview, in the same way you need to answer today in the dais, right? Students will see your face expression, they will see your body language, they will see your communication, they will see your confidence. Got my point? Are you ready? Yes, just take 5 minutes to revise whatever I have discussed in the class. Now I will call the people, both ladies and gents. You people should come here. You need to explain in the class about the major project. Jaldi. Fast. Prepare for that. Prepare for that. Online people also will listen your explanation. Online students, did you practice project explanation? Did you practice project explanation in your mobile with recording? Yeah. What you observed when you listen to your explanation? What is your observation, guys? What is your observation when you listen to your explanation? Nervousness, no confidence, stuck in the middle. These are the problems you will face. Last 3 minutes, fast. Then you have to close your books. Last 2 minutes. Completed? Yes. Good. Guys, when I call your name, come here. Just introduce about yourself in 2 sentences. What is your name? What is your qualification? If anybody want to go with experience, tell them that I have 3 years of experience. My project is IAS. What is the purpose of the project? Why IAS? Who is client? How to access IAS? What are the plans and conditions? What are the modules? And what is the purpose of each module in the IAS? Right? Shall we start now? Good. First, last row. Specs. Yeah, come here. Sorry? You are absent for last 10 days. Yeah, come here and at least introduce about yourself. This side. Keep this mic. You can keep this, you can hold this. Keep it. Keep it close. Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Oh. My name is Vinit. I completed my engineering in computer science in 2021. So currently I'm what should I say? I completed my engineering in computer science. Currently I'm working as a software developer in some company. Currently I'm working as a
That is sufficient in the interview.
no, actually I was not prepared, sir.
You go for any interview.
And I didn't get a chance to prepare. And I was not prepared for interviews.
Yes, at least you complete your graduation, you should know how to introduce about yourself in the interview. That is very basic.
I was not prepared for that.
And how you will attend the interview?
I will prepare.
Stop. This is called stage fear. Yeah, you have to improve this, man.
Okay, sir.
Prasad, come. Yeah, explain about the project. Come here. After that guy, you are the next person. Come here. Come fast. Come fast. Don't waste the time. There are many people who are waiting for chance. Whatever you know, you just tell them. Keep that and hold it. I get what you mean. Online people, are you online?
Hello? Hello? Online people, can you hear me? సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను సార్
లేదు కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి అందరూ అందరూ అట్లా
రేపు చెప్తాను సార్ అయితే
కాదు కాదు నీకు వచ్చి ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పు తప్ప
హాయ్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవరీవన్ మై నేమ్ ఇస్ ప్రసారడి ఐ am completed degree from SC University. అది ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వలేదు సార్
ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పు
అవ్వలేదు సార్ నేను ఆబ్సెంట్ అయ్యాను
సంథింగ్ అబౌట్ ద ప్రాజెక్ట్
మళ్ళీ చెప్తా లాస్ట్లో లేదు సార్
at least 2 sentences about the project plan. Don't waste the time fast.
తర్వాత చెప్తారు సార్
Two step at least.
చెప్పండి చూసుకోలేదు సార్
నిన్న వచ్చావుగా క్లాస్ నిన్న చెప్పిన మొబైల్ రికార్డింగ్ ఏది నీకు
చేశారు
నువ్వు చెప్పింది ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పు అట్లీస్ట్ కొంచెం మాట్లాడు కొంచెం మాట్లాడు లేదు మాట్లాడు అందరూ టైం వేస్ట్ ఫాస్ట్ ఐఏఎస్ అంటే ఏంటి వాట్ ఈస్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ ఐఏఎస్ ఫాస్ట్ ఫాస్ట్
తర్వాత చెప్తారు సార్
చెప్పాల్సింది త్వరగా కానీ వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాను క్లాస్ తీసుకుపోతారు ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు చెప్పు ప్రాజెక్ట్ నాకు చెప్పాల్సింది
Currently, I am working in IAS application. IAS stands for Integration Eligibility System.
Continue. What is another? What is IAS? Who can access IAS? నువ్వు రికార్డ్ చేసావు చూసుకున్నది ఏంది అక్కడ
రికార్డ్ చేశాను
మరి రికార్డ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎట్లా చేసినావు లేదు యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ అదర్వైజ్ నో క్లాస్ టుడే ఫాస్ట్ ఫాస్ట్ కానీ
చెప్తాను సార్
యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ త్వరగా అట్లీస్ట్ 2 minutes you should speak about the project because from 3 days I'm explaining the same thing చాలా ఒక రోజు వచ్చినా కూడా నోట్స్ ఇచ్చాను నీకు
చెప్తాను
లాస్ట్ లో కాదు నీకు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పింది నీ తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వన్
ప్లీజ్ సార్
you have to speak something. I can't leave you. You have to explain. You call everybody. You have to speak. You have to explain about the project.
చూసుకొని ఒకసారి ముందు చెప్పండి
అట్లా కుదరదు నువ్వు ఆల్రెడీ నిన్న 3 రోజులు చూసుకుంటూనే ఉన్నావు నువ్వు
లేదు నేను
24 hours we have got the time. I told you yesterday I will conduct the seminar. You recorded your voice in the mobile. Then why can't you speak? You have to speak first. Tell about that. త్వరగా ఇప్పుడు టైం వేస్ట్ చేయాలి
చెప్తాను
లేదు కుదరదు నువ్వు చెప్పేసి ఎలా
సార్
నీకు తెలుసుదో చెప్పు అట్లా కాదు డయాగ్రామ్ చూసుకో
తర్వాత చెప్తాను
త్వరగా చెప్పు టైం వేస్ట్ చేయి
అందుకే సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు చెప్పిందే చెప్తాను
నో నో
నాకు ఏం గుర్తులేదు సార్ నాకు
నీకు ఏం తెలియదు చెప్పు
అది ఏం గుర్తులేదు
ఈ జావా టాపిక్
సార్
Yeah, next guy, come. Stand up. Keep this one.
Hi, thanks for giving this opportunity to introduce myself and my project. I'm currently working on IAS application. IAS stands for Integrated Eligibility System. This application client name is Rhode Island. It's a direct client for IRA state government. This application is
Yeah, not able to get. Fine, get him on.
IAS stands for Integrated Eligibility System. This project is direct client for RI, and this application is applicable for RI citizens with their eligibility. IAS is RI citizens cannot apply this directly because my project is an internet application. Every citizen should go to DHS offices in RI state, and if documents are matching with their conditions and policies, they get some benefit amounts. And I completed this project with 8 modules, and we provided several insurance and plans, that is SNAP, CCAP, Medicaid, Medicover, and QHP, RAW. SNAP stands for Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. This is for poor families to provide amount for poor families with low income and no income. CCAP for child care assistance program. This is for child studies and transportations. Medicaid, it is treatment for who are having less source resources. Medicaid, it is provided for 60 years above people. QHP means it is a commercial program. Who are apply this program with some amount. If any in case uh, citizen will admit to a hospital, they got 50% benefit amount. And RAW means it is a unemployment students. We did application this project. This government will provide some amount to get their jobs, and I'm completed this project with 8 modules, that is admin module, user management, application register, and document determination, eligibility criteria, and correspondence, and benefit insurance, and reports. Admin modules, it is IAS application to create accounts for caseworkers. Caseworkers will do caseworkers management and plan management. It will do edit the data, delete the data, and retrieve the data. And plans management is for user management. They have login functionality, dashboard functionality, forgot functionality, and edit profile. Application register means application register to apply for the loans with the documents. They get eligibility and document eligibility determination. If the eligibility documentation, if the documents are matching with conditions and policies, they get some benefit amounts. Correspondence means to give the reminders to citizens. They are approved, denied, terminated, or documentation mismatching. And benefits means to apply in this application, we get the some benefit amounts. Reports total application, we have got some PDF or Excel documentation with their plan status, plan names, plan dates, and correspondence will do reminder dates also. That's it. Thank you.
Yes, guys. So he explained something about the project, but what is missing? Confidence is missing and he's getting stuck in the middle. He has to improve that area. So you explain the project, but with this explanation, interviewer will not get satisfied. Okay. So you understood what is the project, but you need to improve your explanation. How to improve? Practice. You have to practice multiple times, right? you are getting stuck in the middle, you are getting confused, there is some fear in your mind. So you have to overcome that problem. Okay. Yeah. Next one.
Thank you for giving me this opportunities to about myself and project. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you for giving me this opportunities to about myself, introduce myself about my project. My name is Faraj. I having 3 years experience on Java. My project is IES. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. It is providing health and insurance for Rhode Island state available in US. It is internet-based project. It is accessible within the DHS offices. DHS stands for Department Health Services. Case workers will be available. They can access IS application. We have several plans available in our project. First is CCAP. CCAP stands for Case Child Care Assistance Program. Who is having child and sir, by my sir. మర్చిపోతున్నా కొంచెం టైం కావాలి సార్ మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను లేదు లేదు సార్ మర్చిపోయింది సార్ మళ్ళీ
Next one. I will call. You will get it.
First of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity, sir. Yeah, my name is P. Parthasarthi. I am from completed post graduation in 2022 year. And coming to my project is an intranet-based application. Intranet means within the this project accessed in within the organization. My project name is IES. IES means Integrated Eligibility System. This project provided in RI state government. And this project is used to fully integrated eligibility system. This project provided health and insurance for RI state citizens. And this project having some plans, SNAP and CCAP and Medicare and KHP and RIW. And SNAP stands for Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. It is providing for poor peoples, whoever having the less income, those peoples are applicable for this plan. And CCAP stands for Child Care Assistance Program. Whoever having the less income with having the children, those peoples applicable for this plan. And Medicare, those are health insurance. And RIW stands for Rhode Island Works. It is applicable for unemployment peoples. And this project having some models, admin and user management, case workers, data collection, integrity determination, and correspondence, benefit issuance, and finally reports. Admin is responsible to create the account for case workers, and admin is also responsible to create the plans. And case workers is responsible to provide the plans for RI citizens. This model having some functionalities: login, forget password, Next module, application registration. This is responsible to collect the data for citizens. If the citizen belongs to RI state, then only applicable for this plan. If citizen not belongs to RI state, it will not create the application. And data collection, it is responsible to collect the citizen data for which is required for the plan. And integrity determination, it is responsible to collect the data Sir, I forgot.
Next one. This side.
Good morning, friends. This is Vishal. Good morning, friends. This is Vishal. Good morning, friends. This is Vishal, and I completed my graduation in EC. And
Guys, can you hear me? Your voice, my voice is louder than your voice. Even I don't have mic. Speak loudly.
okay. Good morning, friends. Prosperous morning for all. And today I'm going to introduce about myself. I completed my graduation in EC department, and I'm working in software company as a Java developer as 1 year experience. And I completed my projects in intranet project, and it is ongoing. And the project name is integrated eligibility system. It is integrated eligibility system for Rhode Island state government, and the client is Rhode Island. And we provide certain and we are providing certain benefits for the citizens of Rhode Island. That is SCAP, CCAP, Medicare, Medicaid, and commercial plan for senior citizens. And we have 8 modules in the IES. Assurance. No.
What are the modules available?
There are 8 modules available in our project. First one is admin module. Admin is helpful to create the account for the case workers. And we have next about case worker. And case worker is helpful for the people to log in registration and either to update the details of the citizens in the Rhode Island. Application registration. It is helpful for the Rhode Island people. Yes. Application registration, and this is very helpful for the people in the Rhode Island, whether the people is eligible for the scheme or not. Eligibility determination, whether the people is eligible for the scheme or not. We have a SSN module to see whether the people is belong to the Rhode Island or not. if the citizen is belong to the Rhode Island, then only the schemes will be available. If not, the schemes will not be available for the people who are not belong to the Rhode Island state. Can you open one? Data collection. With the help of data collection, we will see whether the person is available for the plan or not. We will get the details of the person, whether he is having the income and he is employed or unemployed. Thank you.
Next one.
Good morning, everyone. I am Satvik. I am from Warangal. I have completed my BSc Computers. I have completed my BSc Computers in Master G Degree College in Hanamkonda. I am going to explain about my application named IES. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. This application is used to provide fully integrated eligibility system for Rhode Island citizens. This application contains some health and insurance plans for Rhode Island citizens. This application is intranet application. This can be only accessed in some organizations like DHS offices in Rhode Island state. DHS office workers are known as case workers. These case workers can only access these applications. Whenever the citizens want to apply for any plans, they should visit nearby DHS offices to apply for any plans. This application provides some plans like SNAP, CCAT, healthcare, QHP, RI Works. This application contains 8 modules. Those are admin module, case worker module, application registration module, data collection module, eligibility determination module, correspondence module, beneficial issuance module, reports module, admin module. This module is used by admin, which is used to manage accounts of case workers and manage the plans, citizen plans. Case worker module. This module is used to provide functionality like login functionality, reset password functionality, and managing the client dashboard functionality, etc. Application registration module. This module collects the SSN number of citizen to check whether the citizen belongs to Rhode Island state or not, if the citizen belongs to Rhode Island, then the plans will be applicable for the citizen. If it does not belong to Rhode Island state, the plans cannot be applicable for the citizen. Data collection module. This module is used to collect data from the citizen like personal details, family details, educational details, income details, and kids details, etc. Eligibility determination module. This module is used to check whether the citizen is eligible for certain plan or not based on his data collected by the case worker. Correspondence module. If the citizen applied for the plan, the status of the plan, if he is denied, that the plan is denied or the plan is activated, the status is sent in the mail to the citizen, and we can send notices in this module like plan renewal, and plan status, etc. Beneficial issuance module. If the citizen is approved for the plan, this module is used to send the beneficial amount for the citizen who are applicable for the plans. Reports module. Reports module is used to generate reports like the citizens who applied for the who applied for the plans. It also contains the status of the plan and the full details about the plans of citizens. It also contains options to download the reports based on the search criteria like gender, city, plan name, etc. Thank you. That's all about this my project IES.
Somewhat confidence should be improved. Next one. Naveen.
Yes. Good morning. Good morning to all. This is Naveen. Thanking you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself and my project. My project name is IES. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. The client name is Rhode Island State.
Continue at least what is IES? Why IES? What are the modules available? What is the purpose of IES? Tell something, try. Try. Try something. Yeah, Kaushik.
Hi guys, good morning. Hi guys, good morning. Thank you for giving this opportunity for introduce myself. My name is A. Kaushik. I'm from Warangal. I completed my BSc Computer Science in Kakati University, Warangal. I'm doing a software developer in product-based company. My project is a IES. It is a stand for Integrated Eligibility System. My client is Rhode Island. Why this project is to in that state whose below poverties are there. Further, government has announced one scheme like IES. In this scheme, there are lots of there are plans like SNAP stand for Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. This is for food plan, and another one is CCAP. It is Child Care Assistance Program. Those who have more child and less income. And another is Medicaid and Medicaid. These are all medicine properties. I think I what call it is health plan. And another one is QHP. It is also one of the health plan. And one is the RIW. It is students who are working, who have completed graduation and not doing the job for that. So in this, there are 8 models. Why this IES means to become a so in this project there are 8 modules. One is a admin module, and this project is an internet based project because no one will access in that, only DHS office only it will take. So in DHS office there are case workers are there. Those people only will apply for the citizens to get the plan. In in this project there are 8 modules. That is, one of the module is admin module. what this admin module is to give the access who are working as a case worker in that project. That case workers only will actually uh, will give the plan for the citizens to apply for the IAS application. And case workers module, that module is used to apply for the citizens to get the accessible plan. Like we have discussed 6 plans. Application registry. This application registry is useful to whether this application person is a Rhode Island state or not by using as SSN number. Like that in India we have Aadhaar card number. Like that in Rhode Island state there is a SSN number. Uh, in SSN number they are communicated with SSA web API, that is third party API. If the Rhode Island SSN number and that SSA web API both are is correct, so that guide is applicable for the IGS application. After if is applicant for the eligible for the application, they are going for to next process like eligibility determination. In this module, if the guy has applied eligible for the application, the details, family details and study details and every details of the families and how many kids and how much expenditure he is getting and how much income he is getting, it will get the data from the eligibility determination. And another is another one is correspondence. In this correspondence, it will get correspondence module. We will get if we apply that it applies for the plan. Those plan status will get to the email if the plan is successful or not, and I mean accepted by the Rhode Island government or not. We will get that status to the mail. And another one is benefit insurance. Benefit insurance. If we accept all the application, that amount will come from the government. That is one of the. It will not come to the government. That is one of the third party like FTP. In FTP, we will get the amount those who are applicant for the plans. And another one, last one is a report module. In report module, how many people has how many applications are came to the IAS application, and how many has approved and how many has denied for the application, and in that how many are gender like male or female. We will do it like such criteria, and we will download as an Excel sheet, and we will locate and we will get the export sheet from the reports module. So that's it. Thank you for this question.
Some mistakes are very hard to correct. Next.
Hi guys, good morning. My name is Haribabu. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I am working in software engineer in Deloitte company from last 3 years. In that company, I am currently working on a project that's name is IAS. IAS is nothing but integrated eligibility system. By using this application to provide the fully integrated eligibility system for Rhode Island state government, and by using this application, we can provide the good health and insurance plans for Rhode Island citizens. people people unable to access this application by portal because of its intranet project. Uh, uh, for that purpose, RA state government provides some DHS centers. DHS is nothing but a Department of Health Services. These are centers provides the in RA state uh, major cities, RA state major cities. It is available. The people who want to apply for a loan, they will went for the RA state DH centers, and they can apply for that loan. This in the DH centers, DH employees also there. DH employees also there. These employees can take the application from the persons. Those people who apply for a plans, these person come to the DHS and nearest DHS centers, and they can fill a form and submit that form to DH employees. They can collect the form, and these details enter into the portal, that is AES portal. This application only available for DH employees. That's it. Come to the plans. In this project, mostly we are working on 8 plans. That is come to the plans. Plans is SNAP. SNAP is nothing but supplementary nutrition assistance program and childcare assistance program, Medicaid, Medicare, and QHP. QHP nothing but a qualified health plan, and RIW. Here RIW is nothing but Rhode Island workers. And come to the plans. That is a first plan, SNAP. SNAP is nothing but supplementary nutrition assistance program. In that plan, who family is not able to purchase their daily needs like food, water, like that, these people eligible for this plan. And come to the child care assistant program. In this program, by using this plan, who families unable to spend more money to their children's, these people can eligible for this plan. And Medicaid is used, mainly purpose of this plan is to who is less than 60 years old. These people eligible for this plan. And Medicare, the people who is less than 60 years old, these people eligible for this plan. And qualified health plan, in the state government, every month they will pay some amount for that plan. If in case these people any affected for this accidents, unexpected accident, that time this plan is help. State government, RA state government provides some amount for that who is hopeless. At the time of accident situation, they are unable to pay a high amount. That time this plan will help. And RA workers, that is another plan. This plan in that RA state government, in this RA state, who is unemployment peoples, that peoples can accessible this plan. And in this project, I mainly worked in 8 modules. Come to that modules, admin module. This admin module can create the registration and registration for DH employees. Admin peoples can appoint the DH employees. And these admin people can create the plans and terminate the plans and delete the plans, retrieve the data from plans. These all those things accessed by the admins. And come to the second module, that is user registration module. The people collect the basic information from citizens. These DH employees collect the data from the basic information from the citizens. With the citizens, DH employees can create the plans. Those people who apply for a plan. Then application registration. Application is registration nothing but in RA state, number of persons is there. Number of persons is number of citizens apply for a plan. This plan, the people who that means who citizens apply for a plan. These people is belongs to that RA state government or not. That is the deal with in application registration module. And come to the fourth module, that is data collection module. In this module, we can collect the all the data from the citizens, like personal details, employment details, income details, educational details, family details, children's details, like that details we will collect from the citizens. And we will enter the details in the IAS portal. These IAS mainly work for only DH employees. these people can access only, DH employees can access this application. And BI is nothing but benefits assurance, who is eligible for a plan, who is approved for a plan, directly amount will credited in the application, who apply for a plan. And correspondence is nothing but once we apply a plan, it is approved or not, it is nothing but send the notifications to citizens who is apply for a plan, approved or not, denied. If after some time, if RI workers, that is Rhode Island workers, that is unemployment people get anywhere job, that time within the plan, admins can terminate that person. So that time send the notifications to the citizens who apply for a RIW plan. And reports generation. Reports generation is nothing but if you want to if you want a reports regarding your application, like your plan, so these reports generation can use to download the download this application by PDF, Excel formats. We can search by plan name, plan status, duration, like that. And most importantly, I forgot one thing to say that our client is RI state government. That's it. Thank you for all giving this opportunity. Thanks.
All boys completed this side. Ladies, ready? Ready? Yeah. Without mic, can I do it? We can't hear. That is for online.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Priyanka. Today, I want to tell about my project. My project name is IES. It means Integrated Eligibility System. And client name is Rhode Island State Government. IES is a fully integrated eligibility system to provide all the health and insurance plans to Rhode Island State Government citizens. And it has total 6 plans. First one is SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. It is applicable to the families who are having low and no income. Next one, CCAP, Child Care Assistance Program. It is applicable to the families who having low income with kids. And third one, Medicaid. It is a health plan applicable to the families who having low resources. And next one is Medicare. It is also one of the health plan. It is applicable to senior citizens above 60 years. And next one is QHP, Qualified Health Plan. It is a commercial health plan. And next one is Rhode Island Works. It is applicable to the people who are unemployed and they are completed their graduation. And IES is a intranet-based project. It is accessible only in DHS offices, that is Department of Health Services. The employees who are working in DHS office are called caseworkers. The citizens who want to apply for a plan, they should went to nearby DHS office and they should talk to the caseworker to apply for a plan. And IES having total 8 modules. First one is admin module. Admin module is responsible to create caseworkers accounts and also plans. And admins can perform, create, delete, update and retrieve operations on caseworkers accounts, caseworkers management as well as plans management. Next one is user management. It is accessible to caseworkers only. In that have total 4 functionalities: login functionality, dashboard, edit profile, and forgot. Next one is application registration module. It is also accessible to caseworkers only. The citizens who want to apply for a plan, they should visit the DHS office and they should talk to the caseworker to apply for a plan. In this module, it will check whether the citizen is citizen is Rhode Island state citizen or not by using SSN. SSN is provided by SSA web application. It is a third-party application provided by federal government. It will check whether the citizen is related to Rhode Island or not. If the citizen is related to Rhode Island citizen, then application will be created. Otherwise, it won't create the application. Next one is data collection. It is responsible to collect all the data from the citizen required for the plan. It has, for example, family details, citizen details, kids details, education and employment details. Next one is eligibility determination. It is responsible to check the citizens data matched with plan requirements or not. If the data is matched with plan requirements, then it will approve the plan. Otherwise, it denied the citizens from the plan. Next one is correspondence module. It is responsible to send notices to the citizens who are applying for the plan eligibility criteria. First one is approval notices. Second one is denied notices. Third one is termination notices. And fourth one is renewal reminders. And fifth one is missing documents. Next one is benefit issuance. It is responsible to provide the benefit amount to the approved citizens. Next one is reports module. Reports module is responsible to generate reports in the form of Excel or PDF format. For example, reports based on plan name, plan status, or duration, or citizens' gender. Thanks for giving this opportunity.
Good job. So how is the explanation, guys? It's good. He has complete idea what is our project and how to extend the project. So that confidence is required in everybody to explain the project. If you explain with that confidence, then only interviewer will believe that you are having genuine experience in the company. So otherwise they will feel that you are having some fake experience. So confidence is very important, guys. How many times you practice? How many times I told? Why then 5? Tomorrow in the company, hundreds of team members will be available. In front of them, you need to provide a seminar. In the companies, we need to, in the IT company, communication is very important. Seminars will be available, presentations will be available. Sometimes clients will come to the office, they will ask you to explain about your module in front of all the people in the auditorium. So you need to have the communication and presentation skills. Good, that is very, very important, guys. You need to practice more related to that. Fine. The remaining people, I will give the chance in the next session to explain about the project. Yeah, coming to core Java questions. Right. Next questions that I'm going to provide for today, 23. Yeah, go and sit down. Guys, you observe, when I'm explaining the project with the theory, with the diagram, everything is clear for you. But when you came here to explain, you are forgetting the things. So that's because of experience, as I told you. I have a lot of confidence in this project explanation because I worked in this project for 3.5 years. I know each and everything in the project. That's why I have that confidence while I'm explaining that. I'm discussing from last 3 days. I have given the notes. I have given the theoretical points. I have given the diagram. I explained a couple of times, but still you are not able to explain. So you need to do more practice. As I'm telling, if you are not able to explain your project in the first question, in the first round of the interview, definitely you will be rejected in that interview. Explaining the project with proper confidence communication is very important to go for the next round. Right. From 3 days I'm explaining. I have given the notes. I have given the diagram, but still you don't have that confidence. So you need to improve that. Coming to this today's core Java questions, 46. What are the class loaders? What are the class loaders available in Java? What are the class loaders available in the Java? There are 3 types of class loaders are available in the Java. Bootstrap class loader, application class loader, system class loader will be available. What is the difference between those class loaders you have to understand. And the next one, what is thread local in Java? What is a thread local class and when to use that thread local? That is related to multi-threading. Thread local is a class that is related to multi-threading. What is thread local? And what are the class loaders available in the Java? What is thread local class? And next question, can we overload main method? Can we overload main method in Java class? Okay. Next one, can we run Java program without main method? I will develop a Java program. Can I run that Java program without main method? That is a question. Okay. And next one, what is polymorphism with example? What is polymorphism with a example? Okay. And next one, what are solid OOPS principles? What are solid OOPS principles? So total, I have given 6 questions. What are the class loaders available in the Java? There are 3 class loaders available. You need to know the differences between those class loaders. What is thread local class? What is thread local class? Can we overload main method in the Java class? What is overloading? What is overloading? Writing the same method in the super class and subclass is called as in the same class, writing multiple methods with the different signatures in the same class is called overloading. Can we overload main method in the Java class? Can we run Java program without main method? What is polymorphism? Explain with example. What is polymorphism? Explain with example. What are solid OOPS principles available? Okay. What is encapsulation with example? What is encapsulation with a example? How many questions we got? Total 7 questions we got. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 7. Total 52 questions we got on the core Java. I'm hoping that you completed the notes up to 46. So today you need to complete for these 7 questions also. We are going to reach 100. Already 52 completed. We will reach 100 questions on the core Java. If you go for any interview, the questions will come from this 100 only from the core Java. Already we have given 125 questions on the Spring Boot. Right? Videos also uploaded. These are the 100 questions we are going to do on the core Java. And I am going to provide 100 logical programs. As I told you, we are going to discuss 100 logical programs to improve your logical thinking. Right. So you need to prepare all those things. Fine, guys. Next one. Anybody want to attend interview? Same company that HR called me. Now they want to take interview only on the back end. They asked me to send 10 people for the interview today. Anybody who want to attend the interview? One person stand up. One, same company. You people attend in a high-tech city company. One. Anyone else? If you already attended, no problem. Again, you can go for that. Biswajit, जाना है? नहीं जाना है? हाँ, stand up. Up. नहीं जाना है? You? Anyhow, pressure also, if you want to go, you can try at least. If you try, you will understand what is your skill set. You don't want to attend? You want to attend? Anybody who want to go for interview today, please stand up. I need 10 people. Ladies, anyone want to attend? No? They will take interview on the Java backend directly today. Exam plus interview, both will be there. Logical questions, yes. Anyone who want to go? Yeah, she want to go. 4 people. Anyone else? Why? They will conduct the interview today. She called me and she told that they will take the interview. They want Java backend developers. Man, you need to understand, market is very dull. Getting the fresher interviews is very difficult. I'm asking you to attend the interview. People are not interested to attend. What I can do? So company people has taken interview. Again, they call to send the more people. You people are not interested. Then tomorrow, if you ask me, sir, where is our job? मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ भाई? Market is very down for the freshers. Recession is going in the market. Company is calling you to give the interview. Then what is the problem? Why you people are not interested to attend the interview? I want 10 people to go for the interview today. 10 people should go for the interview. Shubham, Biswajit, Kaushik, Ravali, 4 people. I need another 6 people. Tomorrow you should not come and ask me, sir, where is placement? We are giving the opportunity to attend the interview. If you, that will be, I told you, I rejected 11 times to get my first job. If you reject in one interview, that nothing will happen. You will get interview experience. If you are not attending the interview, after 1 week or 10 days, if you come and ask me where is placement, from where I can bring that? Already there is a company who is ready to take your interview. You people are not interested to attend the interview. Then that is your problem. It's not my problem. It depends on the luck. Sometimes you will get tough questions. Sometimes you will get easy question. Sometimes they will ask only theoretical questions. That depends on the luck. At least you need to give it a try. At least you need to give it a try. Fortunately, if they ask only theoretical questions, if you got selected, you will get the job. You will go to company as a fresher. You can learn so many things. You can learn so many things. I want 10 people to go for the interview. If anybody not attending the interview, tomorrow don't come and ask me where is placement. I can't show you the placement if you are not attending the interviews. Finding the job will be your risk if you are not attending the interviews. As I told you, within 1 month course will be completed. Java Spring Boot will complete by this month and only. Project will complete by next month. Because we need to start the development of that. I want people to attend the interview for today. Yeah, 1 person, 1 more person, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. That initiation is required, guys. At least 10 people I want to go for interview today. Yes, right. Bishwajit, coordinate all these people. You know the office address, na? Already आप गए interview का? First time. You? First time. Ravali, you know, Vinita, you know the address. Ladies can coordinate with Vinita and Ravali. Boys can coordinate with Bishwajit. Please go to the interview by 2 o'clock. Please go to the company by 2 o'clock. I will tell to HR to take the Java backend interview. I told them that for these people, React.js is not covered yet. Take interview only on the Java. आज जाके आना interview देख लेंगे क्या होगा. Fine, guys. Thank you. At 2 o'clock, I want you people to go for the interview. Right? So who are those? Yeah. Can you note down their names? For boys, you note down Bishwajit. Note down their names. Give your names to Bishwajit. Send it to me in the WhatsApp. I will forward the list to HR. I'm expecting at least 5 people should get the job in that company. Guys, getting the opportunity as a fresher is very difficult nowadays. If you get it, don't reject it. Don't worry about your salary. First, understanding the real environment is very important. There are many people who are ready to work for free of cost. If company give the opportunity, here company paying the salary also. What is the problem? There are so many people in the market who want to work in the real project for free of cost for 6 months to understand coding environment. But for you, company taking interview will give you the job with the salary. For that, you guys are not interested. मैं क्या कर सकता भाई? Getting the companies is my problem. Attending the interviews is your problem. You have to attend as many interviews as you want. If you are not attending the interviews, tomorrow you cannot ask me, where is my job? Yeah, note down their names. Biswajit, note down. Total how many people? Ladies. Vinita, send me that list to my WhatsApp number. विश्वजीत वो लिस्ट भेज देना मुझे, मैं एचआर को फॉरवर्ड करता हूँ. Resume preparation I will cover, guys. This week only we will complete the resume preparation. Yeah. I'm planning to take this on Saturday weekend. सब लोग को आता है ना? हाँ. Venki, you also attend. Venki and Sai, you people also go for the interview. ठीक है. Fine, guys. Thank you. With this, I'm stopping. Remaining people, please practice project explanation and write the answers for the core Java questions. Tomorrow, I want to see your notes with all the 52 questions and answers. When I'm giving a question, not just theory, you need to write program also related to that. That will help you for the interviews. Thank you, guys. When the logical programming session will start, we will start that, sir. Already we prepared 75 questions for that. Another 25 to 30 we need to prepare. At least 100 questions. If we have the plan ready, then we will start the batch for that. Our team is working on the logical question preparation part. Okay. Yes, we will get 2-3 days in advance. I will give the reminder when that batch is going to start. Okay. Fine, guys. Thank you. We'll see you in the Spring Boot class. Resume preparation I will cover. Major project. This week only we'll start the development. Fine, guys. Thank you.